thrill seekers. What I've been messing with is getting the current draw down, as you know, on the prime movement. So successfully, I'm pretty happy with it at the moment. Getting about 2000 RPM on this at around 500 milliamp. One of the things that I've been messing with is, you can see here we've got some nice cogging. And I like that because that's what I did notice Saez, or the Ramadan device, whatever you want to call it, was doing. But what I've been doing to free up some of that cogging is that I've been putting some spacers down the back here in the way of bearings to lift this out a bit, so that we have I don't have it 100% in, if that makes sense. So we've only got 50%, if you like, of the iron actually in front of the magnet, not 100%. Putting 100% in front of the magnet slows things down considerably. The other thing that having half that exposed allows me to do is to grab the coils and put an iron hard up against it, like that. So not only is having the irons close to the magnets important in this device, it's getting that pickup as close to the irons as you possibly can, and that's, I think, fairly well demonstrated in the replication of the James German device. So what I'm doing here is, and this is a curious thing which I don't quite understand, and I'm sure there's a reason for it. I'm trying to get the iron as close as I can as possible, maximum surface area. So I'm going, this way rather than this way. But the thing I don't understand is that if I go up hard against one of the magnets, as opposed to in the middle, I'm collecting more charge. So at the moment, with just one of these, I'm getting 2.5 volts offers. I think it's sub 100 milliamps. Not too sure how far sub 100 milliamps. But what I'm working on at the moment is trying to work out now, okay, how do we maximize our voltage on this device, given that we've got the prime mover, which is this, essentially this big magnet down here on this little coil. How do I now maximize getting an output? So I think I'm going to have to go perpendicular with the whole thing, go upright, and get some spokes, basically. 6 spokes, all magnetically coupled in a circle, and load them up with coils, almost like a stepper motor, I guess, a reverse stepper motor with is how it's going to look. Anyway, that's my thoughts at the moment. Thanks, guys. Bye.